Okay, people. Okay, people, wherever I go, I get such a beautiful history lesson. Look at this. That is an enamel sign. And you know what it says on it? Missouri, Kansas, Texas lines. Into Chicago. Tang, 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 tang. This is a Pullman car, and it says Missouri, Kansas, and Texas on it. And you can step into this Pullman car. Look at those monitor windows, man. Look at that. Just like on the early diners. Keep the heat out. Before air conditioning. This is so cool. You can step into this dining car and have a meal. They're closed Mondays and Tuesdays, and they're open from 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 o'clock at night. Come on, man. Look at these soft baby carriages. Look at this. Sweet, comfy roller. Leaf springs, a row of leaf springs, coil springs. Man, this is just awesome. And people, oh look, and they've got a wood-burning stove. There's a wood-burning stove in this train car. That is so cool. What's wrong with you? That is so cool. And there's the mighty bus, and we are directly across the street from the Sedalia, Missouri State Fairgrounds. This is the end of the trail. They drove cattle all the way from the Texas Panhandle, all the way right here to Sedalia, Missouri. They drove the cattle here to load them on rail cars and ship them into Chicago. They shipped the cattle into Chicago to the slaughterhouses and the meat packing. This is really cool. I was scared to drive all this way, and I was uncomfortable because it's going to get cold here. But look at this. Look at this. Missouri, Kentucky, and Texas Railway. The Sedalia route. 2 daily passenger trains to St. Louis and to Chicago, to Kansas City, to Colorado. Steel track. No dust. Rock road bed. We got a traffic manager and a general passenger agent. It's an old poster. Sedalia route. Missouri, Kansas, and Texas Railway. The through car line with a day express and a night express to the north. A Pullman car on every train. For rates of fare or for maps, timetables, and guidebooks, write or call on the ticket agents of the MK&T Railway or address, Western Agent, Missouri, Kentucky, and Texas Railway, Southern Passenger Agent, the MK&T. How do you like that? Old semaphore. Railroad wrench. My goodness. These people look like serious food people, too. All right, folks. It's still warm enough. Looking forward to stepping into this Pullman car. Now look at this. Missouri, Illinois Railroad Company equipment. Trust Series AA. Missouri, Illinois Railroad. My goodness. Missouri, Kansas, Texan slots. Welcome to the middle of North America. And all I got to say is, yes, the grand opening continues. And I got a sign out that says, turkey smoking time.